Hey there, a few hours ago the GDevelop devs released a new version of GDevelop, which is GDevelop 5.0.137. This version comes with some improvements to the engine, extension, assets, examples, and also some bug fixes. In this video, we'll go through the improvements to the engine. Now do stick around to the end of this video because I can guarantee you'd love the last improvements. The first improvement in this version goes to web games exported in GDevelop. In this improvement, a web manifest has been added to exported games. What this simply means is that your games would now have a proper icon and orientation when a shortcut to it is added to a home screen on Android or iOS. Next, we have new expressions in the physics behavior. These are the mass and moments of inertia. The mass expression will be the quantity of matter in a physics body, while the moments of inertia would be the property of the body due to which it resists angular acceleration. And the third improvement is to the drag and drop to allow again horizontal movements to quickly move an event. At number 4 we have the improvement which brings suggestion of all expression types in auto-completions of expressions. And the final improvement for this version of GDevelop brings a rework of the light theme. In the last version of GDevelop, the devs introduced improvements to the dark theme. In this version, they've done the same to the light theme. They should give the light theme a much more vibrant color.